Hello everyone, in this YouTube short, we're going to talk about where the halibut like to live in the deep depths between 150 to 400 foot sandy bottom like you see here usually is preferred. Now, if you can look at your depth finder graph and have good electronics on your boat, you'll be able to distinguish a flat sandy bottom to where it meets with the rocks. And that's important because when you find these areas with rocks and sand meet, that's the hot spot for halibut. Right now we're off of Slip Point, one of the best halibut areas I've discovered in the Straits of Juan de Fuca, and it's located at CQ, really easy to access because you look for the green bell. And at the bottom around it, look at this. Rocks, heavy rocks, a gravel bottom. And as I move along a little bit further, back when Captain Cook and Puget came into the Straits of Juan de Fuca, there was a battle with the Macaw tribe. The boat went down with flames, and I will show you momentarily here where it sits in 190 feet of water. And all that's left are the cut stones that they used for ballast in these boats. And you can tell the shape of the boat, and you can also see how they cut these rocks so that they fit tight in the hull of that ship. Crazy, isn't it? All that's left are the rocks. But right now, you're looking at a gravelly bottom, and here are the rocks I was telling you about. It's amazing. Over time, all the wood has disappeared, but yet the rocks are still there. Crazy. So these are the areas that you're going to find kelp greenling, lingcod in these areas mostly where it's rocky like this. But remember, where the sand meets the rocks, you're going to discover that that's the hot spot to catch halibut. Check this out. I don't know how big he is, but he's a good sized halibut. Notice the seafloor around him, the rocky bottom. Sand, rocks is the key to finding where these halibut like to lay. Bye-bye, everyone. Be safe out in the water, and always wear your life jacket.